All right, so that's what the packaging looks like on the inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing pulled out so we can see it in all of its glory. All right, so this is what the Caroma P7 looks like out of the box. I'm gonna go ahead and get all these zip ties off, all the packaging off, and we'll jump straight into assembling it. All right, so step one is to attach the kickstand with the included hex bolts and of course the included tools. Next, we're gonna go ahead and extend the handlebar stem, and then we will lock that into place, like so. Next, we insert the handlebar stem into the vertical stem and then slide it into place and then latch it. The next step is going to be to insert the seat tube into the seat assembly and then tighten it down with the included wrenches. We're going to go ahead and insert the seat tube into the frame of the scooter, and once you get it to the appropriate height, you can go ahead and latch it down. Next step is to attach the basket assembly with the included hex screws. Feed the tail light cable through, attach the tail light. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the adhesive backing on this reflector, and we're going to position it here on the left front fork, and then we're going to do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to go ahead and attach our front reflector and then get that tightened down. Alright, so as you can see, the Caroma P7 is very straightforward to assemble. Of course, they include all the tools necessary to get it together as quickly as possible.